Guess what I have here? From the Bulworth soundtrack, LL Cool J and Dr. Dre. Zoom. Vinyl. At this point, when these were being made, they probably made these for mainly for DJs. But nonetheless, LP version, you got the instrumental. And then on this side, you got the clean version with no cuss words, and then a cappella, just the words itself. But then the question is it the clean acapella or the dirty acapella? Whatever. Glad to have this to further add to my collection. The main evente. The R to the K to the E to the LLY. Remix City. Vintage 2008. Here's the CD. Short but simple. Or short and simple but to the point. R.Kelly. R.Kelly in public announcements, slow dance. Hey, Mr. DJ after the party singing mix. Sex Me Part 2 extended street version, bump and grind old school mix. Your Buddy's Calling His and Hers remix featuring Aaliyah. I Can't Sleep Baby remix. Radio version, download remix. I Wish remix. Feeling on Your Booty. Hypnosis remix. Ignition. Step in the Name of Love remix. Slow Wine Burn It Up. And Dirty South remix of Feeling on Your Booty. Now, since these remixes are from Jive Records and R. Kelly is on Jive Records at this point, Jive still owns the rights to Aaliyah's first album. The album songs, including the remixes that was never on the actual album. So I think they should have used this opportunity to put the remixes of Summer Bunny's remix that was on 12 Play up here, as well as Summer Bunny's remix, whether it's the regular one and or the extended version, as well as putting the two remixes of At Your Best up here. But nonetheless, this is a good CD for just 14 songs. Vintage 2008. Remix City Volume 1. To this day, it's never been a Remix City Volume 2, so it's kind of gets on my nerves, like with the Rock Files Volume 1 or the R&B Volume 1. Why do you put one or volume up there, period, if you're not sure that there's going to be a Volume 2, just like life is a guarantee? So, it should have just been called Remix City. But nonetheless, I'm going to enjoy this. That's a guarantee. It's a rainy day, and I hope y'all be safe.